Hey guys, back in another tutorial. Today we're going to be using Google Tag Manager and showing how to get a value out of a data attribute and track events by data attributes. So, as you can see here, we have a basic website, an about page, call button, an email button. All just links. You can see here, the links that don't go anywhere, but they all have a data attribute on them. The first is data tm page dash link. The other is data tm contact method. As you can see here, they both have values. So, to begin with, we'll just access a simple event on the About page. So I'm going to presume you've got all the script tags in the right place in your HTML. So we'll go over to Google Tag Manager. Once we're in here, we want to create the trigger. We'll call this the About page. And this is going to be for on-click using just links. We just want some links, and we want the click element to match the CSS selector. In here, we can just do the data-tm-page-link and then save that. Then we need to create the tag for it. Call it the about page again. This is going to be a universal analytics. We need to set it to an event. Category we're just going to set to app analytics, and the action is going to be about page click. We'll just leave the other two blank for now. In the Google Analytics settings, we want to set this to the tracking ID, which you can find in the settings page on Google Analytics. However, for this, I just made a variable just to make it easier. Then we want to assign the trigger, which is going to be about page, and we'll hit save. So, to test this, we're going to go into preview mode. Once in preview mode, you'll see this. Make sure you are in an incognito window, as this sometimes affects it. Then we'll head back over to the site. Let's give the site a quick refresh, and you can see now we have the Tag Manager helper down here. This tracks a list of all the events that have happened, such as done ready, window loaded, so on like that. You can see here our about page tag. Nothing's firing at the moment. If we click these, you get a link click, but nothing's fired because nothing meets the criteria. However, once we click the about page, you can see the tag has fired. If we head over to Google Analytics, you'll see we have the category of app analytics, and the action is the about page click. This is just in real time to make it easy to see. Now, to get the values of the other two, you can see here they're both called tm-contact-method, and then the value is equal to what the button does. So this could be a call, and then this could be an email. So back over to Tag Manager, we want to create a trigger. We'll call this one contact method. Same again, it's going to be just links, some links, click element, matches CSS selector, and in here we want data-tm-contact-method, and hit save on that. Now we want to go to variables. In here we want to create a new user-defined variable, and we'll call this contact method. Here we choose the data layer variable, and the data layer variable name is going to be GTM, dot element dot dataset, and then in camel case the rest of the data variable excluding the data part. So here mine would be tm contact method. and we'll leave everything as it is and just press save. In the tags, we now create a new tag. We'll call this contact method again. Universal analytics. Change this to event. Same category, app analytics. The action this time is going to be the contact method data variable here. And then just after, we'll put click. We'll leave these other two false. Remember to set your tracking ID. The trigger is going to be the contact method. Hit save. And then refresh the preview. Once this is done, come back onto this page. Let's give it a quick refresh. If we hit call, you see the contact method triggers. If you hit email, you see it's also triggered. So if we head over to Google Analytics, you'll see two new events, one with call, one with email. This just gets the value from here. Hopefully that helps. Thanks for watching. See you later.